Have you seen the movie Doctor? It was 2021 movie. So today we are going to talk about the lessons and some practical implementations in clinical practice related to this movie. Hi, my name is Dr. Nitin, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. I share various tips, tutorial ideas and strategies related to growing your medical career. So if you're a medical student, medical resident, or a medical aspirant, this channel will help you to grow your career. So today we are going to talk about the lessons and practical implementation from this movie called Doctor. So if you have seen this movie, let me know in the comment section how many times have you seen the movie? How many times actually you have seen the movie? And we'll get started with the practical implementation from the learnings of movie The Doctor. So this film Doctor, it is directed by Nelson Dilipkumar and it is starring Shivakarthikeyan, 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 and it offers several valuable lessons through its unique blend of dark comedy and some serious themes. So this movie, The Doctor, offers several lessons that can be actually applied in your clinical practice. So I'm sharing my learnings, and here are the key points and how you can put them into action in your regular clinical practice. So the first thing is understanding the patients. Patient emotions, they are very critical. The main character in this movie, the Varun, shows that the understanding the patient feelings is very important for effective care. So as a healthcare provider, whether you're a doctor, nurse, or any assistant, you should take time to listen to your patients and understand their concerns. So this can improve the trust and communication with the patient and their family members. The lesson number two, the teamwork in the healthcare. In this movie, the character Varun, he works with a diverse group of people to solve different problems, and it shows the importance of teamwork and how it essential it is. So always encourage collaboration among healthcare staff, including the doctors, nurses, and the support staff. Because if you are having regular team meetings, it can help you to share ideas and ultimately improve the patient care. So you can, using humor, you can connect. This film uses humor as a problem a solution to solve various serious issues, and the difficult topics becomes very easier with this humor. So as a healthcare professional, you can use some light-hearted moments to ease out your patients, your staff, so to reduce that anxiety during the conversations, and this can create a more comfortable environment for your patients. You have to question your ethics in care. So this movie sometimes really made me ask myself, भाई साहब, मतलब इतना insights. Let me give you one incident. So uh, it made me question that if I'm not doing something wrong, does that make me ethical? It question my ethics itself. अगर मैं कुछ गलत नहीं कर रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब मैं ethical कर रहा हूँ ऐसे नहीं होता. Doing ethical and unethical is not just question about right or wrong. That is a completely different domain from the right and wrong. So let me put it in another ways. If you are not doing something wrong, it does not necessarily mean you are ethical practitioner. If you are not doing something which needs to be done, then also it makes you unethical. It's very complex phenomenon. Right now I'm unable to put into exact words, but when you start practicing it, and when you question your every decision from this ethical perspective, you will realize, was this necessary for this patient, or was not this necessary for the patient? You will realize when you start actually your practice and put ethics into one of the key values in your clinical practice. So in this movie, the character Varun, he sometimes makes very questionable choices for good cause, and which prompt us to think about right and wrong. It's beyond right and wrong. So as a clinician, you should always reflect on the ethical implications of your decisions. So by doing some regular trainings on ethics, it can help you, your staff, in to navigate very complex situations in the patient care. Then the next key area learning is importance of personal growth. So this character Varun, he evolves throughout the film. He faces different problems, and that highlights the need for personal development. It encourages us to kind of continuous learning mindset among the healthcare workers. Always offer some kind of workshops or training sessions that can focus on like both your skills and emotional intelligence. The next learning is about social responsibility. The movie raises awareness about serious issues like human trafficking, and it reminds us of our duty to help others. So, as a healthcare provider, we should always engage in the community outreach programs, not just for the marketing purpose, but to address the social issues. So, this could include basically educating on various health risks, or maybe supporting the vulnerable populations. So, let me conclude this by saying that this movie, Doctor, it teaches us valuable lessons about emotions, teamwork, the use of humor, ethics, ethical practice, personal growth, and social responsibility. So, if we start using these principles, it can greatly increase our clinical practice when we applied it very effectively. I hope these learnings are landing to you, and if you found something which is very useful for your practice, and uh, let me know how you are going to use that. Let me know in the comment section what is that you are going to implement, any particular principle from these learnings. And that's all for now. Let me know if you have any questions or anything in the comment section. Let me also know if you want me to uh, like what topic you want to discuss me in the next session, and we can discuss on that. So that's all for now. This is Dr. Nitin signing out. Bye bye.